line. 3, 2, 1, go!
And they're off and running one more time and autonomous as the 100 scholars slam into the side wall in the neutral zone, releasing 100 fuel elements. All the bots move forward, gaining 5 points apiece as we look like we're down to 15-15 tie at the beginning of the match. But the Red Alliance had the center rotor turning, gaining 60 points as it's 75-15 coming off out of autonomous. 40-26 Global Dynamics bangs into 33-29. The Wild Bots now 40-26 headed down to their retrieval zone. They're going to try to get those valuable gears. Those gears are valuable. They deliver them to the airships. They're able to start those rotors turning in the gear sets. 2 needed for the second rotor to start turning. 4 additional rotors need to be delivered to the airship in order to start the third rotor turning. As halfway there for the Blue Alliance. The Red Alliance is 1/4 of the way. Here comes the second and third gear for the Red Alliance being placed in the gear set. 1 more gear for the Red Alliance and they will be able to start that third rotor, gaining an additional 40 points. 115-95 in favor of the Red Alliance right now, as the Blue Alliance needs 2 gears to start their third rotor, possibly moving ahead of the Blue Alliance, or Red Alliance, with those 40 points. 30-91, 100 scholars. They're right in the middle of the field, banging into both 41-88 and 5900. 30-91 doing their job to keep the Blue Alliance from catching those valuable gears and gaining those valuable points. 40-26 Global Dynamics delivers another gear as they've already completed the third rotor gear set. They're working on the fourth rotor. If they can get 6 additional gears delivered, they will be able to gain 1 valuable point as well as 40 additional points. 155-95 with 32 seconds left to go in this tournament match. 30-91 in the middle of the field, headed towards the airship as that sound signals that there's 30 seconds left to go. And the bots can now climb up onto the airship, securing themselves a seat for flight. 30-91 has a hold of the rope. They've moved up. They've lit the touchpad, signaling that they're ready for flight. 5900 in contact, 4188 in contact. All 3 bots on the Red Alliance in contact with the touchpad, signaling that they're ready for flight at the end of the match. 305 to 195 coming out. We'll find out if that's the final score when we watch them in the clouds in just a moment. And they're now off and heading into the clouds. They lift off of the deck. They're into the clouds once more, and it looks like the Red Alliance comes across. We'll see what the score is. 305 to 195 in favor of the Red Alliance. Notice on the Blue Alliance, 33-29, even with the loss, moved up in the rankings. 28 of 90 now in the books